Good morning, myself Ashagila Devi, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the subject CS3391 Object Oriented Programming. In this subject, today we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Object Oriented Programming and Java Fundamentals. So what is the objective or what is the outcome of learning this particular module is on successful completion of this module, the student should be able to summarize the basics of the Java fundamentals. So object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects, which may contain data in the form of fields, often known as attributes, and codes in the form of procedures, often known as methods. So we have some list of object-oriented programming languages given: ADA, 95, Beta, C++, C Sharp, Cobra, etc. And so main concept in object-oriented programming is abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but it's hiding implementation details. Abstraction is one of the key component of object-oriented programming language. The main goal is to handle the complexity by hiding the unnecessary details from the user. So it enables only the important things to the user. It won't show the complex logic to the user. And next we are going to discuss about what is object and class. So object has a state and its behavior. An object is an instance of a class. A class is nothing but a class can be defined as it's a template that describes the behavior of the object. And when you're saying objects in Java, when you consider it's in the real world object, either a car or a dog or a human, we can say this is a object. All these objects have states and behaviors. So in classes in Java, it's a group of objects are called as classes. So how we can create a class is, the syntax is class name, and within that you have to mention the attributes and operations. So a class can contain local variable, instance variable, or a class variable. So next is encapsulation. Encapsulation is a mechanism of binding together code and the data. It manipulates and keep both both of them safe from outside inference and the misuse. So in Java, the basic of encapsulation is the class. There are a mechanism for hiding the complexity of the information inside the class. Next is polymorphism. Actually, polymorphism is from a Greek word. The meaning is it creates many forms. So polymorphism means for a single set of actions, for our input, if it produces more than one form of output, means they can say it is polymorphism. Next is inheritance. Inheritance is a process by which one object acquires the properties of other. So without use of hierarchies, each object would need to define all of the characteristics explicitly. So it can inherit the general attributes of its parents. If we have parent and child, the child can inherit the general attributes of the parents. So thus inheritance make it possible for one object to specific instance of the general use.